In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. Financial reports are the heartbeat of your accounting, turning day-to-day entries into clear insights you can act on, whether you're checking profitability, understanding your cash position, or reviewing outstanding invoices. Zoho Books makes it straightforward to find the numbers you need and view them in a clean, organized format. To get started, head over to books.zoho.com. Once you're in your Zoho Books account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your jumping off point for everything, including reports. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right organization if you manage more than one. That way the data you'll see reflects the right books. Next, look for the reports section. You'll typically find it in the left-hand navigation panel. Click it and you'll be taken to a dedicated reports screen. Here, Zoho Books groups reports into helpful categories like sales, purchases, inventory, banking, and accountant. There's also a search bar at the top, which is handy if you already know the name of the report you want. From here, simply select the report name you need and click it to open. Common choices include profit and loss for a snapshot of income and expenses, balance sheet for assets, liabilities and equity, cash flow statement for movement of money, and aged receivables to see who owes you and how long it's been outstanding. Choosing the right report depends on the question you're trying to answer: profitability, liquidity, or what's due and when. When the report opens, you'll see its header area with options to refine what's displayed. This usually includes a period selector, so you can view a specific month, quarter, or custom date range, plus other filters relevant to that report. It's a good practice to confirm the date range before you start reviewing numbers, so the totals align with the time frame you're analyzing. As you scroll, notice the clear section headings, subtotals, and grand totals that help you interpret the results at a glance. If something seems unexpected, a quick check of the period and filters typically resolves most discrepancies. Also, remember that the naming of reports in Zoho Books follows standard accounting terminology, so if you're ever unsure, the description under each report title can help you confirm you've picked the right one. And that's it. Go to bookszoho.com, open the reports area, and select the report name you want to view. With those simple actions, you can confidently surface the financial insights that matter most to your business.